Kia ora guys, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to day 3 of our coast adventure. And as you can see, it's not raining and I'm so chuffed about that. Anyway, after the last couple of days of probably the hardest wheeling I've ever done, which if you missed, I'll leave a link up there for you. We are tackling a slightly easier track today, however, should be really cool. We saved it for last because we knew the weather today was good. And it's really scenic. With all the rain we had yesterday, there may even be some snow up there. We've got to hope that the river's low enough that we can actually get across, but assuming so, it's going to be an awesome track. It's really exposed, a lot of rock crawling, so Lando's going to love it on the traps. Oh, I'm so chuffed that we get to do this track. I've been wanting to do it for years. So we're going to ear down and shoot up the road and get into it. Righto guys, so we're at the start of the track and in the background there's snow, which I'm super stoked on. If we end up getting up to some snow, that'll just be unreal. Anyway, we'll wait for the other couple trucks to show up and then we'll go hit the track itself, go check out this river crossing. Fingers crossed it's low enough because I've wanted to do this track for such a long time. Unfortunately, the Lux's rear wheel bearing seems to be, really not happy. It's real hot and it bound up completely when Steve was trying to reverse. So Lux is no more. So it'll just be the 3 trucks today. We'll make room in Lando and the Jeep, and continue on. Alright guys, this is unreal. I've never driven on ground like this. There's so much traction. It's real gritty sandstone, and yeah, the traction is unreal. Like you don't even need the lockers, just tires are hooking up. It's real cool, and unbelievable scenery as well. I'm loving it. Snow on the top. It's so good.
Nah, he's on slider this side.
Shortly. There you go.
Fortunately for you guys, it probably looks like a real foggy day for a lot of this. Unfortunately, the last 2 days of filming in the rain has taken its toll on the lens, and we've got some condensation going on, but I can assure you it is a picturesque day. Just the whole way around, there's snow-capped mountains in the background, all the way around. Just unreal. But yeah, awesome track. It's so cool driving on ground with that much grip. You just work the wheel, and oh, really enjoyed that. But yeah, anyway, we're gonna quickly have some lunch, shoot back down to the trailers. Good news for you lot is that over lunch the camera lens seems to have cleared up some. Anyway, from here we're just gonna cruise back out to the road. Back out, it's a one-way in, one-way out track, but yeah. That's insane. Righto guys, we're back at the start of the trail. What an awesome track. That was so cool driving on just totally different terrain to anything else we get. Everyone loved it, super scenic, and yeah, just an awesome day. Anyway, from here we'll just cruise back to the trailers. Righto guys, well we've just popped down to the beach. Everyone else has headed off already. We've all got to go separate ways. Steve's got to go rescue his truck with the broken wheel bearing. And the Coscarees are heading through Arthur's, whereas we're taking Lewis. So yeah, we've all said goodbyes. Absolutely awesome weekend, and yeah, me and Ilse have popped down here, just down to some random beach, and it is just beautiful. Perfect way to wrap up the trip. Anyway, it's been really good. Super stoked to be back out there. Really enjoyed having Ilse with me as well. Just been wonderful. So good that the truck held up to it. Definitely the hardest stuff it's ever seen, so it's real cool that it hung together. Obviously we've still got to get back home, but so far we're looking pretty good. But yeah, super thankful for just a really wonderful weekend. Definitely need to sort the heater out, but yeah, we'll deal with that later on. Anyway, make sure to hit subscribe if you haven't already to stay tuned for everything else we've got coming. Give us a like if you've enjoyed today's video and all this coast stuff. We'll catch you all in the next one. Cheers guys for watching. We'll see you then.